You open your microwave, and there it is. Hardened splatters on the walls, greasy spots on the glass plate, that smell of reheated food that never seems to go away. You scrub, you spray, you struggle, and still, it feels impossible to make it spotless again. But what if I told you there's one simple trick that makes your microwave shine in minutes? So easy, you'll never forget it? Before I reveal this powerful hack, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon. Because this isn't just about cleaning, it's about discovering hidden genius in everyday life. And please, leave a comment below to let us know how you like this trick, and if you have any tricks of your own to share. We would sure appreciate it. Why microwaves get so dirty? The microwave is one of the most used appliances in any home. Quick lunches, late-night snacks, endless reheats. But every use leaves behind something: grease, steam, or tiny food particles. Over time, they harden into stubborn stains and create odors that never leave. The worst part? We usually ignore it until it's unbearable, then spend hours scrubbing. The problem isn't effort, it's method. The trick revealed. Here's the unforgettable trick: steam cleaning with lemon and water. Fill a bowl with water, slice a lemon, squeeze the juice into the bowl, and drop the halves inside. Place it in the microwave and heat on high for 3 to 5 minutes. The result? Steam fills the chamber, loosening hardened grease and food. The lemon neutralizes odors. When you open the door, all it takes is a simple wipe. No scrubbing, no sprays. Just effortless shine. Why it works? This isn't magic, it's science. Steam softens hardened food particles, breaking their bond with the surface. Lemon adds citric acid, which dissolves grease and leaves freshness. Together, they transform the dirtiest microwave into a spotless, odor-free box. It's not just cleaning, it's restoration. The emotional payoff. Now imagine this moment. You open your microwave, expecting stubborn stains, but instead, you find smooth, easy-to-wipe walls. The smell of lemon replaces the smell of burnt food, and suddenly, your kitchen feels lighter. Cleaning no longer drains you, it uplifts you. All from a hack so simple, it almost feels unfair. Step 1. Prepare the bowl. Take a microwave-safe bowl, fill it halfway with water. Cut a lemon, squeeze the juice in, then toss the halves inside. Place it right in the center. That's your magic potion. Step 2. Heat and steam. Microwave on high for 3 to 5 minutes. You'll see steam rising, fogging the glass door, clinging to every corner inside. Don't open it immediately. Let it sit for 2 more minutes. This extra time lets the steam do its job, softening every stubborn stain. Step 3. Wipe it down. Now, carefully remove the hot bowl. Take a clean cloth or sponge and wipe down the inside. The stains that once felt permanent now glide off effortlessly. Even the glass plate sparkles. What once took half an hour of scrubbing now takes seconds. Bonus tip: vinegar power. If you don't have a lemon, white vinegar works just as well. Add a tablespoon to the water and repeat the process. The steam still loosens grime, while vinegar kills bacteria and odors. It's not just clean, it's sanitized. Mistakes people make. But let's be honest, most people go wrong here. They open the door too quickly, releasing steam before it works. Or they forget to wipe immediately, letting loosened dirt harden again. Or worse, they keep microwaving without water, damaging the machine. The trick works best with patience and timing. Why this trick stands out. There are countless cleaning hacks online, but this one stays with you. Why? Because it's so simple, so effective, and so memorable. Every time you cut a lemon, you'll think of it. Every time your microwave gets messy, you'll know exactly what to do. It's not just a trick, it's a ritual. If you found this hack helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple, powerful tricks that make everyday life easier. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. Because sometimes, unforgettable solutions come from the simplest places.